Hey everybody, this is Nature Walks with Dawn, and this is my 20-gallon fish tank during the night. This is the bottom of my tank, and I have a plant up here, a spider plant, and my neon barbs, and my moon tetras. And they're my neon barbs. I have a red one, two orange, pink, a purple. My purple one's tiny, but she's getting bigger. And you can see my blue tetra here, and my pink moon tetra, and my green tetra, and my purple tetra. And they all look so bright and beautiful. And even some of my little plants in there are glowing with the tips on them. And here's the good old like a catfish. Spotted like a catfish, and he's happy in there, swimming around. And I put a little new plant on top. I believe it's called a water heart, but I'm not quite sure about that. If you guys know, let me know in your comments. They look really, really cool and bright under the light. They look really pretty. I can't fit them all in the camera for you. My catfish is down there. You can't show him all the time, but he's doing really good. I'm happy. Where's my other? Barb. Must be hiding behind the plant. Oh, there it is. Okay, he's at the top. But they're all doing really good and look super cool at night. I hope you all enjoy them. God bless, and Jesus loves you all, and I love you guys out there too. I hope you enjoy. Yeah.